Professor Klaus here. Today I'll be reviewing LUUCCO's Melo-S1 Large Diaphragm Condenser Microphone. I was asked to do this review by a company called Schnittpunkt, who was kind enough to provide me with this microphone here to do the review. Thank you. Let's take a look what's in the box. First off, we have the Melo-S1 microphone. Also included is a 6.6-foot XLR cable. There's also a shock mount for attaching the mic to a stand. Also included is a 5/8 to 3/8 adapter. It does not come with any sort of pouch to store the device, which is a bit of a shortcoming. This condenser microphone is an XLR microphone and does require either 24 or 48 volts of phantom power to work. So I'll be using my Tascam DR60D Mark II to provide the power. This mic will not work with an XLR to USB cable or an XLR to 3.5mm, as it does require phantom power to work. The microphone build quality feels great with its all-metal housing for rugged durability. The shock mount is all metal, but it does have this one attachment here that when you tighten it, if you do just nudge it, it does slip down rather easily, and it could have benefited from some grooves to hold it in place. But as long as you're not adjusting it too often, it's going to hold up just fine. The microphone itself has a little logo right on the front, which makes it easy to know which side you're supposed to speak into. It's capable of handling sound pressure levels up to 130 decibels, and boasts a 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency response without distortion, allowing it to pick up most sound frequencies that the human ear can hear. The microphone features a cardioid polar panel which picks up sound when speaking into the front. Here I am speaking into the front, here I am speaking into the back, the side, and it shouldn't pick up very well when I'm speaking into the top either. The output impedance is 200 ohms. This is me speaking closely to the mic. This is me speaking 1 foot from the mic. This is me speaking 2 feet from the mic. And this is me speaking 5 feet from the mic. Next, I'm going to demonstrate what it sounds like when I'm talking into the microphone and typing on a keyboard. Can you hear it? I can. For the music test, I'm going to run a sample of my son playing guitar, both acoustically and electric. This is a really nice looking microphone and it has an excellent build quality. The sound is excellent coming out of the box, and I think that price tag makes it a worthy competitor to Audio-Technica's 2020 XLR microphone, which is an industry favorite. Plus, it comes with this excellent shock mount, which the Audio-Technica version does not. I can honestly recommend this microphone for live sound, studio recording, as well as instrument miking. If you'd like to see me create a video with the Melo-S1 and the Audio-Technica 2020 XLR microphone, just leave a comment and I'd be happy to put together a video doing just that. Check the links in the description, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, be sure to leave a comment and I will reply to you. Until next time, remember, if you're having fun doing what you do, it's not work. Take care. Check out my recent video on how to do a dolly zoom, or check out one of my other videos.